Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marine Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your differential in your 2019 Subaru Forester Sport. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is go to the shifter. And once we get to the shifter, you are going to see this knob that has the X mode covered around in this orange trim. It's going to have a knob. So currently, when you start up the car, it's gonna default by normal. So this is just like regular driving, dry pavement or rain. But if you do find yourself in a terrain such as snow or dirt, deep snow or mud, then this differential is the one for you. So basically all you have to do is, for example, if you are in snow or dirt, all you have to do, counterclockwise, and it's gonna show on the screen that you are on snow/dirt mode. It's gonna show you on the mini screen right there too. And basically, it's gonna help you out in those situations/terrains to make sure you are driving safely. If you are in deep snow or mud, all you have to do, clockwise, and it's gonna show right there on the screen and on your mini screen on here as well. So yeah, it'll get you out of your situation such as deep snow or mud. Definitely get you taken care of with that Subaru differential. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marine Acura, and thank you guys for watching.